Are you still manually sending emails to your leads? Then you're totally wasting your time, because I have bought this video for you, by using which I'm going to show you how you can send automated personalized emails to your leads whenever a new entry is made over the Google Sheet. So now let me show you how this automation is going to be created by using an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates thousands of applications and automate your entire business. So let me firstly show you the real-time working of the automation, which I have already built in by using Pabbly Connect. So right here you can see this is the Google Sheet where I'm going to make a new entry, and as soon as I will make the new entry, an automated email will be sent to the particular lead. So here I'm going to make the new entry and we will see the magic. So right here you can see that I have made the new entry, providing the full name as demo user, email as demo@pabblytunes.com, the phone number, the city, and the product in which my user is interested, that is Pabbly Agentic AI. Now let's move on towards my Gmail account to check whether we are receiving an email over there or not. So right here I'm on my Gmail account, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this email having the subject, "Thank you for your interest, let's get started." And right here you can see that I'm getting the same name of my user, that is demo user, and the same product in which my user is interested, that is Pabbly Agentic AI. So now you have seen this amazing automation which sends an instant email as soon as I make a new entry over my Google Sheet. So now you can also automate this entire process for your business too. And for that you have to create an automation using Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect for creating it. So right here I'm on the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in, and if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. And now let's move on towards the dashboard page, where for creating a new workflow, we just have to click over this create workflow button. And right here I'm going to create it using Quick Builder, which is the new workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, where you don't have to search for the trigger or action application. You just have to provide the prompt to this AI, and this will automatically make the setup for those applications. So here I'm going to enter my prompt as want to integrate Google Sheet with Gmail. So here I'm going to enter it, and here I have to select my trigger of the Google Sheet as new or updated spreadsheet row. And now for the Gmail action, I'm going to select it as send email. Now let's approve it, and now let's open our workflow. And right here you can see that we are on the workflow page where my Google Sheet and Gmail are already integrated. So here I'm going to select Google Sheets, and now here we are getting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is basically for building the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet through which I want to receive my new leads. So right here you can see that I'm on my Google Sheet named as my leads, where for adding the webhook URL, you just have to go towards the extensions, and here you have to select add-ons, and here you have to select get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you have to search for the app, that is Pabbly Connect Webhook. So now let me search for it. And right here you can see that we are getting this app or this application which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards the extensions, where you can see this option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, where you have to select this initial setup, and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box. and this is the place where we are going to enter our webhook URL for building the connection. So here I have entered it, and now it is asking me to enter the trigger column. So trigger column is basically the last data column of our Google Sheet, and right here you can see that the last data column is E. So here I'm going to enter my trigger column as E. Now we just have to click over the submit button, and right here you can see that my setup has been configured. Now we have to send a test data to the Pabbly Connect. So right here you can see that I have already made a test entry, so I'm going to just click over this send test for sending this test data to the Pabbly Connect. So as I have clicked over the send test, my test data has been sent successfully. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this test data over there or not. So right here you can see I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 6 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response say, and this response consists of all the fields which have recently entered over my Google Sheet, and here we are receiving all the details. So now as soon as you will make a new entry over the Google Sheet, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect, and for that you have to perform one more task, that you have to go towards the Google Sheet, and here on the extensions you have to select Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that you don't have to send the test data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. The data can be automatically fetched. And now here we are going to send an email to my this lead, and for that I'm going to select Gmail, and here I'm going to build a new connection by simply selecting this connect button. And right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to use your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection, and here we have to sign up with the Google account. So right here I'm going to use this Google account, so here I have selected it, and now I am going to allow the access as my data is 100% safe with Pabbly. And here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for entering the sender name. So here I am going to enter my sender's name as Pabbly. So I am going to just type it, and afterwards we are getting this field for entering the sender's email address, which is already entered as my email address, as I have recently built in the connection. And now here we are getting this field for entering the recipient's email address. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type my recipient's email address like this, but no, I'm not going to do so, because Pabbly Connect provides me a method by using which I don't have to manually enter all these details, as typing will make these fields static, and that method is mapping. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my recipient's email address, which is going to change with every new entry. And for that I'm going to use the response of my Google Sheet, and the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field and the slash symbol, and right here we are getting our previous application. So from the response of the Google Sheets, I'm going to map the email address of my lead. And now we are getting this field for CC and BCC. So if you want to send this email to multiple recipients, then you can enter CC and BCC as well. Now here I'm going to enter the email subject. So here I have entered this email subject, and now let's enter the email content. So this is the email content which I am going to send to my user, and after this word hello I am going to enter the name of my lead, and for that again I am going to map this field. So here I am going to select the slash symbol, and now from the response of the Google Sheets, let's map the full name of my user, and after this sentence, that is thank you for showing interest in, I am going to map the product in which my user is interested. So for that again I am going to use the response of the Google Sheets. So here I have mapped it, and now these fields are going to change with every new single entry received over the Google Sheet. And now from this field of the email content type, you can select your email content type either plain or HTML. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, as these fields are not necessary. And right here you can see that we are receiving this positive response, which demonstrates that an email might be sent. So now let's move on towards my Gmail account to check it. So right here you can see on my Gmail account, I'm successfully receiving this email having the same subject which I have recently entered over my Pabbly Connect. And right here I'm getting the same name of my user, the same product in which my user is interested. So now you have seen that I have sent this personalized email by just creating an automation within few minutes. So now you can also automate email sending to your leads without typing even a single word. And for that you just have to use Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created for your reference, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.